How to use Generali car insurance Luxembourg properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Generali car insurance is a trusted provider in Luxembourg, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that just having a policy doesn't guarantee full protection. You need to know how to use it properly. A major mistake is relying only on third-party liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car in an accident. Comprehensive coverage is essential to protect your vehicle and finances, especially if your car is new or valuable. Another common error is mismanaging deductibles. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases premiums, while high deductible lowers premiums but could leave you paying more after a claim. Choosing the right deductible is crucial. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes such as moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new car can affect your coverage. Ignoring these changes may result in denied claims or gaps in protection. Many drivers also overlook discounts. Generali offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundle policies. Missing these can cost hundreds each year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay or reduce payouts. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure smooth handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Generali car insurance Luxembourg. Make sure your coverage is appropriate. Choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and keeps you protected on every drive.